Hey, so I'm here to show you this pocket-sized network tester. It's called Linksprinter, and it's really easy to use. Pretty much, you just plug Linksprinter into a network drop and you'll know instantly whether it's working and how it's configured. This video will cover the basics of testing with Linksprinter 100, 200, and 300 models. Let's get started. Linksprinter runs on 2 AA batteries, or power over Ethernet if that's available. Turn it on by holding down the green power button for a second. Battery level is indicated by the colors here. The link indicator will flash green when it's ready to connect. Just connect the cable, and the test will start automatically. Linksprinter performs 5 essential tests. It tests for power over Ethernet, establishes an Ethernet link, gets an IP address from the DHCP server, pings the gateway router, and pings an internet or cloud device of your choice. This symbol indicates the status of power over Ethernet. Green means go, obviously, so if it's green, you've got power. If the indicator is off, no PoEs detected on the line. That would be a problem if you wanted to plug in an access point or a phone that expects PoE. Could mean that the switch is configured incorrectly or you're on the wrong port. If the indicator is yellow, you've got power, but it's weak. That could be a switch problem, or maybe the cable is bad or too long. The next test is the Ethernet link. A solid green indicator means that you were able to establish a link with the switch. If the indicator keeps blinking, Linksprinter can't connect to the switch, and the rest of the tests will not run. This is likely bad cabling or a hardware failure in the switch. If it's yellow, that means Linksprinter was able to connect at 10 or 100 meg, but the switch says it can do 1 gig. That's probably a cabling issue. This one is pretty obvious. DHCP. DHCP servers provide IP addresses on most networks. What Linksprinter tells you about your network depends on whether you've set it up to use DHCP or entered a static IP address instead. If it's green, either you or the DHCP server has provided a valid address. If it's red and you have a static address, it found another device on the network with the same address, which means you'll need to change Linksprinter's address. If it's red and you're using DHCP, then the DHCP server is either not configured properly or is not responding. Next, Linksprinter pings the gateway router 3 times. If all 3 pings get a response, the indicator will be green. If there's no response, the indicator will be red, which could mean the Linksprinter's IP address is incorrect, or the gateway is down or configured to ignore pings. If it's yellow, that means there was at least 1 response out of 3, which probably means that the gateway is busy or there's a lot of traffic on the network. Finally, Linksprinter tests the connection to a destination of your choice, which could be on your internal cloud or the internet. The default is Google, but you can change that by going into the setting menu from either your mobile device or within the Link Live cloud service. Linksprinter sends 3 pings or port open requests to the destination. If all 3 get a response, the indicator turns green. If there's no response, it's red, which probably means either the internet or the destination is down. If it's yellow, at least 1 request was not acknowledged, which could mean high traffic at the destination or on your internet connection. If you need to test a cable, the Linksprinter 300 provides pair lengths and distance default. You can even figure out which switch ports you're connected to by initiating the flash switch port light function. When you're done, Linksprinter can be set up to turn off automatically, or just hold down the power button until the indicators ramp down. So, there's your basic intro to this very cool device. Linksprinter provides a lot more information on your phone interface, email, or cloud service. You can see how to do that on the other videos at link-solutions.com.